What is going on, guys? You're watching It's Fish O'Clock Somewhere with Brandon G, and behind me you can see the Indian River, and I'm going to be doing some fishing with some live mullet. I know the audio is pretty bad because it's windy, but let's get into the video. Oh. Oh my God! Oh shit. Oh. Oh my God! Oh my God! Cool. Oh my God, dude, it's a monster tarpon, bro. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh shoot! Oh my gosh! Dude, that thing is huge! Oh my God, dude! Dude! Oh my... No, 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 no. Oh my God, dude. He popped off, bro. No. Yeah. Yeah.
Not jumping either, so it's not. Might be a redfish.
The other one wasn't my fault.
That's Jack. Jack the Bill.
Yeah. I recorded the tarpon too. Oh, there's a school of them right behind it.
Are they still there?
Yeah. No, they just swam off. But they were just super shallow right here. Oh, I'm sure they will. Oh, I thought he swallowed it. I was like, oh, shit. Damn, they have teeth. I don't want to put my fingers in there.
Supposedly like the 30 and 40 pounder.
They're from fighting, dude. I don't complain about catching them.
Yeah, fucking school of 30s and 40s came in.
How do you get this out? So it's stuck. On you?
Dude, my freaking mullet got. I got freaking.
Dude, the tarpon was destroying it.
I got freaking trouted. Oh, you're right.
Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button down below, and also comment anything else you guys like to see me do. Right here is my subscribe button, and right here is my last video. Thank you guys so much, and remember, it's Fish O'Clock Somewhere.